Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if your Instagram app just keeps crashing, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to know is that actually you need to try to update your Instagram app. So just go to App Store, go to search tab, in search tab just write Instagram, and just tap on Instagram. And if you see here not open but update, just tap on update and it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your Instagram app. So this is a way how you can also first way how you can fix it, and another way you can also try just to update your iPhone. So just go to settings, open general. In the general you need to find software update, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. And also if you still have this issue, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, write comments, and goodbye.